Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on BRIA AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in BRIA.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BRIA AI website. Now, right from the homepage, if you already have an account, click on the Get Started button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now, from the login portal, click on the login button underneath and you will be taken into your login portal. If you created your account using your Google account or your GitHub account, you can click on the respective buttons and then simply select your account to log into BRIA AI. Otherwise, enter your email address that you used to sign up and then type in your password. Finally, click on the login button and now you will be logged into your account on the BRIA AI platform. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on BRIA AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.